session, let's try to design these screens using the Penpot tool. Let's dive into the uh, playground for the moment. So uh, I will explain all the tools whatever that we are utilizing here. So let's start with selecting the board. I just selected the board. So on the right hand side, you would see there is a size presence. Whenever we are designing any UI and UX, we need to give the devices. For what devices we are going to select, whether it is web or whether you would see here, there are a lot of mobile devices. If you're selecting this iPhone 12 mini, the height and width will be changed into according to that device. So for now, we will try to do it for the iPhone 12 Pro during our design. So let's dive into this one. Let me open the image. So these are the three screens. So what I will do, just click on the Windows button and right side arrow to move that image to the right side and select the the window. Move the things. Drag that image to the right hand side and place the tool on the left hand side. So you will see the properties and the pages will be appeared here and the board will be appeared here. So let's start the things. So here we need to give the picture and there is a text. There is a text and there is a button and sign up button we need to give. Let's start. The first, if you see the things, there is a curve on the fore side of the screen. So let's try to make it that one. If you see here, there is a radius. Whenever any properties needs to be applied to our selected element, we need to make sure that the elements are selected. If you click outside, that properties will be disappeared from the screen. So the moment we select this one, the properties are appearing. So here, this is the radius. Radius, four sides you would see. On the top left, top right, and the bottom left and bottom right. So by default, if you give the values commonly, it will do it for all the sides. If you see all the corners, the shape has been changed. So we just added a we just added a radius on the four corners. So now it looks like same. Next thing is we need to draw a button. So I just selected the rectangle. Just clone it, left right click and click on the duplicate and you will see the replica. Let me zoom it. So select this rectangle shape and go to here. Just give the color. I just selected the color. I will try to okay. Okay. And if you see there are also there is a radius. There is a corner shape on the four sides. So let's select this one. I will give 6 on the four corners radius value. So the shape has been aligned. So next thing is select here. If you see here in try to add the corners borders. So in between, if you see there is a background color only white, and we need to give the label uh, color as blue. So I just selected the rectangle and go to the stroke. Just select on the stroke, and here try to click on this one, copy this color code, and select on this one, paste it here, click enter. And if you see the border is appearing, but it is a little bit thinner, so just select it. I will give the border radius as 2. Let's make it 3. Now it seems a little bit thinner, thicker. The border seems to be thicker, so I will give it as 2. And we need to give the corners radius as well. So select and give the 6, enter. Now the radius has been aligned. So we need to give the text now. Capital letter login. Click outside. So moment element is selected. Go to here. Now it should be white color. Color coding for white is FFF. Like this one. Seems it's 50 percentage, 52 percentage. That's why the color is not brighter. So let's close this one and enter 100 percentage. Now the color seems better. Let's click and make it 16. Now the text seems fine. So click on this text. Here by default there will be different font will be there. Please select Red Hat display. The font will be Red Hat display, and the font size will be 16. And this is the there is a line space, letter spacing between L and O. There is a letter spacing will be there. Make make that as a 0.7 pixel and enter it. This is the line height between the top. When we are entering the paragraph, there is a line height. Make it 1.2. These are the couple of configurations I have done. And another thing is here we can add the font weight to the selected areas. So I just selected, I have given the font weight as 700. So now go to the second button, and if you see the background is white, so let's make it as white. Now it seems both are similar. Now clone the thing, left right click and duplicate. Go here, color, we need to change the color. Give the green, give the blue color and sign up. Now the both seems exactly similar. So the next thing is we need to give an image, the background image, and a text we need to give. So for this one, I'm importing the images. I have an image. So I'm selecting the image. Okay. Then we need to give the text. Hello. Give the color as black. So we need to give the font size as 24. Let's zoom it. There is a between the letters, there is a space is there. So we need to give that space. Enter, enter. There is a space has been given. So let's make the font weight as 800. Now looks similar. Color is very thick. Let's okay. We have given the black 81 percentage. Just scroll the things so that we can give the light color or we can make it dark. Next thing is we need to give the text. Best. So I will click outside and I will change the font to a font should be 16 or let's give 14. Yeah, perfect. Just continue typing the things. Place to write live stories and share your journey, experiences. Experiences. Here, we need to give the space, the line space we need to give, make it as 1.4. If you see the things clearly, when I am giving the values, let me zoom it. One 1.5. Yes, now the things are appearing here. So let's make it center. So we need to give the color. Select this element, go to here, and if you see the color is lighter, light gray. So let's drag down the values. Yes. Now the both the things are look similar. Perfect. Now we need to design for the second one. Copy, duplicate it. We need to delete the image. Select delete. So here we need the button, so keep it as it is. Select all the elements and delete the things. Here we need to give the text, so just selected welcome. The font size, we need to change the font size. Click outside, select, we will try to give it as 36 pixel. Let's give 24. And next thing is we need to give the text here. Sign into continue. So we need to decrease the font size. Click outside, then only it will reflect. 18 pixel. Yeah. Now align the things properly. And we need to change the color of the text. Now looks similar. Let's drag a little bit up. Now looks fine. So here two input box we need to give. One is for email and another one is for password. So let me select the tool, this path tool. I'm selecting the so now I'm trying to add the color, decrease it. Now let's zoom in. You would see there is a color. Select. If you want to select this element, go to the left hand side. This is the first board. This is the second board. Here you would see the path. Select the path, go to the colors section and decrease. Align the thing properly. Let's make it center. Yeah. Then duplicate the thing and below. Here we need to give the text. Let's give the text as test gmail.com. Select and give the color as blue. Copy the color by clicking the button and select the element and go here and give the color code and enter. Click enter. You would see the blue color has been changed for this label. And second thing is we need to give the color similar, copy the blue color and click on this one, enter. This is just a circle, the small eclipse. Here I have made it very small one so that we get these circles for the password. Just click on that element and duplicate it. Just zoom the things to view the tiny elements. Let's align this thing properly and select one more, duplicate it. Select one more thing, select one more thing, duplicate it. Now we have got the things. Let's select both the elements at the same time. Now drag the things, just zoom it. Zoom it and give the text. Forget password. Click on 16 pixel. Should be a blue color. So let's select this for con and go to the color, fill color and enter the value. Next, we need to give the line. Two lines will be on, one line will be on right hand side, another line will be on the left hand side. In between, we need to give the text. So let's select the path. Line has been drawn. So let's give the color by selecting the element, duplicate it, align the things. Now we need to give the text. So let's type here. Color, let's make it dark black. So it's almost similar. The next thing is we need to give the social media a login and the icons, and finally don't have an account and sign in up link. So let's create a text, social media login and drag it. Let's decrease the font. I think it looks almost similar. So let's select import the images. I have already downloaded the images and kept in my local system. So I'm just importing the images. We need to things. Import another one. Now the Facebook image. Make it zoom in. Another thing is we need to import another icon as well. So zoom it all the way to down. Almost done. So we need to give the don't have an account and sign up link we need to give. So select the text. Don't have an account. Then select sign up. So here select only the sign up. Go to the fill color. Give the blue color. Select the text. Give the color. Let's make it dark. Now we have completed the second screen as well. So next thing is just click on the second board and duplicate it. Next thing is we need to give the design the sign up page. Here it's almost layout is similar. So one more input box is coming here. So let's copy this one, duplicate it, add it below, and drag, just drag the top one little bit up. Next thing is change the label text, sign up. Here forget password is not required, remove that one and select all these elements and place it little bit upwards. The center, okay. Then drag this element and group this, perform the group selection and drag it upward. Here, instead of sign up, give the value as sign in. And go to the top and enter. Still has give some space. Change the text. Create a new account. It's outside. Now the three screens has been designed. The one thing missing is that we need to give the arrow. For that one, font here. You can click on these icons. There are a lot of in the browser you can search for the icons. I'm selecting this one. Select on this one. Copy to PNG. It will copy the image to the clipboard. Just go to the Penpot tool and paste it here. Just zoom in. Just select the arrow, duplicate it, and paste it here. Now we have completed the design in this 3 screens. We will see in the next session to design the screens for the desktop devices. Thanks for this session.